Fondly called Punakon by his parents, former Chief Minister of Assam, Tarun Gogoi, was born on 1st April 1936 into an ethnic Assamese Thai Ahom family at Rongajan Tea Estate in Jorhat district of Assam. His father, Dr. Kamaleshwar Gogoi, was a medical practitioner at the Rongajan Tea Estate, while his mother, Usha Gogoi, the younger sister of renowned poet Ganesh Gogoi, was known for her collection of poetry, Hiyar Samahar or Heart's Treasures. Tarun Gogoi began his primary education at the Rongajan Nimna Bunyad Vidyalaya and moved on to Jorhat Madrasa School, where he studied up to the 6th standard. In 1949, he was enrolled at the Jorhat Government High School, from where he passed his HSLC examination. He completed his graduation from the Jagannath Barwa College in Jorhat and later completed his LLB from Guwahati University. Tarun Gogoi was a Congress stalwart who served as the Chief Minister of Assam from 2001 to 2016 and led his party to a record 3 consecutive victories in the state of Assam. He completed 15 consecutive years as Chief Minister of Assam on 18th May 2016. Gogoi had served 6 terms as Lok Sabha member, where he represented Jorhat in between 1971 to 1985. Later, he was elected from Kaliabor in 1991. He was elected Joint Secretary of the All India Congress Committee in 1976 under Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and later served as General Secretary of the AICC between 1985 to 1990 under Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. In Assam, Gogoi served as President of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee from 1986 to 1990 and was re-elected to the same position in 1996. Ever since, he had served 4 terms as member of the Assam Legislative Assembly. On 25th August 2020, Tarun Gogoi developed symptoms of COVID-19 and the next day he was admitted into the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, where he was discharged on 25th October 2020. Later, he was readmitted to the same hospital on 2nd November 2020 for complications, where his health deteriorated on Saturday, 21st November 2020. On Monday, 23rd November 2020, doctors at the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital termed Gogoi's condition as very critical and had to be put under invasive ventilation till he passed away at 5:34 p.m. on the same day. Current Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal, described Gogoi as people's leader who had great contribution in Assam's political and public sphere. Assam will observe a 3-day state mourning over the death of former Chief Minister Shri Tarun Gogoi. Gogoi is survived by his wife Dolly Gogoi, son Gaurav Gogoi, and daughter Chandrima Gogoi.